Ngatho cia mwanya muno makiria mwiroreri witu wa Gikeno TV na toguo rakiona muthenya wa umuthi turi guku mwena wa Village Market na ndiri haha uguo na mrembo ugwitwo Pelis Mbuthia ni njui ni mumui na muona kaingi kuri uguo YouTube ni yake etagwo Pelis Mbuthia na ni akoragwo na spa kuri uguo mwena wa Lavington na muthenya wa umuthi ndenda akorwo agitutariria niki twoka gwika turi haha uguo lounge kana kirugurio kia Oxygen Botanical. Abogeithe eroreri akwa
Murega eroreri Gikeno TV.
Yes.
Hari twari Pelis Mbuthia na ngakena ni kunyitwo geni niwe na ngakena ni nyue guka guku gwitu.
No ginya. And you're so beautiful.
Thank you. Ni gai. Miaka 50 happy.
Yeah. Wow, 50 years.
Yeah, just turned 50 in May.
May. When I grow up, I want to
celebrate. Mwaka uyu wothe ni wakwa gu celebrate. Nikio twi haha umuthi.
Imagine uhana tari ni uhana early 20s.
Ni gai.
Oxygen Botanicals ni kegi.
Oxygen Botanical ni maguta ma ngothi turaruguria guku Kenya no makoretwo mari kuo over miaka 20 mathondekeirwo Canada na riu ni hingo turamarehire Kenya ni twina maithemba eri twina ma kwihaka mucii na twina ma guthondeka ngothi thiini wa clinic-ini citu nicio turaruguria umuthi.
So ni products cikoretwo ciri kuo.
Ni product ikoretwo yuko kahinda karaya ta miaka 20 no citioka Kenya riu ni hingo turamirehire Kenya.
No ukorwo gitariria eroreri aitu na njira ndaya hanini cikoragwo cigitreat ki na ki nigetha ona mwiroreri akiri hau uguo ataukwo.
Mwiroreri witu ri ni wona uria thiaga clinic-ini rimwe kiga atiriri ndina mathundo ndina marema ndina kindu gitagwo batata ndina kindu gitagwo kuhia ni riua kuhia ni ime rucini aria marimaga maundu ta macio magakorwo magiguthumbura angi makaiga mena acne no acne na gikuyu niki makoragwo magite mathundo maraima nginya mahira icio nicio indo iria umuthi turoka tukuonia kiria tungikwenderia kingi-treat mucii kana kiria ungithie kwa madagitari maria magukorwo mena ithui umuthi maranyitanira na ithui guthie clinic-ini ciao matuike guguthondeka indo ici turendio umuthi kana turarugurio umuthi ri ni indo cirarehirwo citari na chemicals ni turageria muno ikorwo cihuritwo na kindu gitagwo botanical extract na gikuyu ni kuga atia ni irio riaga indo icio manyeni cithondeketwo na indo icio natural arafu igacoka gekirwo kindu gitagwo oxygen ni kiriera mundu akarigwo riera na Pelis thondekaga ngothi atia ndugugithikiriria umuthi tondu nitugukorwo twi live Pelis Mbuthia TV ndagukimenya riera rithondekaga ngothi atia niguo riu undu uria tureka umuthi.
Niki giakorirwo gigikuinspire nigetha ukorwo ukiambiriria uhoro wa gutreat ngothi kwambiriria clinic twanoka kuri uguo mwena wa Timeless Spa?
Yes. Demonini after kuciara ciana ciakwa igiriri ni ndagiire na thina wa ngothi munene muno ni undu wa kindu gitagwo hormonal imbalance na nona ndimweru na kigia na mathundo mangi matathiraga matigaga na irema nyingi biu riu undu ucio ri ukiingia muno ngiuria atiriri na hiko ndautaga wira thibitari ngiuria atiriri ni atia ndingika ungihota guteithia andu tani hau ngitwa itua ria gucoka cukuru na guthomera wira wa guthondeka ngothi na hau niho koguo nie wira uyu ndia wanjiriirie by the way wira uyu ndawanjiriirie ta gucaria kihonia giakwa.
Nice one. Na no wega ona tondu ni muigwa ako 50 years na naka 20 years koguo na aingi no makorwo makimenya hihi niki kingikorwo kihuthagira ki guthiaga atia na ni kumenya ni gukorwo kimatariria macio mothe wona mwakorwo mukirorera kuri gwa Pelis Mbuthia TV ona Gikeno TV ndio gukorwo tukimuonia maundu macio mothe nigetha mwitaukwo na njira ikiri njega. Riu tungikienda gukorwo tukigwatira kana gukorwo tukigura Oxygen Botanicals. Yes, tugukorwo tugika atia namba ni iriku na tungimukora
tariu ri no mathie oxygenbotanicalkenya.com. Thaici ri twina sale gukorwo kuo for the next 24 hours. No megwatire indo ici no mathie Pharma Plus, she Pharma Plus selected, she Good Life selected in Nairobi and also in Nyeri, Mombasa and Eldoret. Koguo andu no macione kundu ta koguo gona no moke Timeless Medical Spa Lavington na wega ni kugura nginya online tondu ikunda before gwaku nyumba.
Nice one. Hari na namba hihi ya thimũ online
wona
Mangĩhũra
thire
direct.
kimathirire Oxygen Botanical Kenya kana matũrũmĩrĩre Oxygen Botanical Kenya Instagram nĩ megũkora namba citũ ya thimũ hau, no mathiĩ Timeless Medical Spa Kenya nĩ megũkora namba yaitũ ya thimũ hau, no manũmĩrĩre Peris Buthia TV, ona Instagram ciakwa nĩ Peris Buthia, na nĩ mekuona namba citũ.
Thank you mũno makĩria nĩ gwĩtĩkĩra kwaranĩria na ithuĩ na tũkwĩre congratulations, you are doing a very good job, na nĩ tũgwĩtĩkia atĩ we mwĩroreri ũkĩrĩ hau ũguo nĩ ũrathĩrio nĩ thĩna wa ngothi, ũrĩ na thĩna o wothe wa acne, gũkorwo ũkĩhĩrĩrĩra ciĩtagwo atĩ ciwahĩa nĩ riũa mũno
hyperpigmentation.
Hyperpigmentation icio ciothe product ĩno ĩrakorwo ĩkĩrugĩrio mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ no ĩkorwo ĩgĩgũteithĩrĩria na njĩra nene mũno, na twakorwo tũkĩrwo atĩ citirĩ na chemicals, cirakorwo cihũthĩrĩtwe tuge nĩ natural kĩrĩa nĩ herbal.
Yes, nĩ natural product. We've tried to make it as natural as possible. Nĩ tũgeretie kũmĩtua kĩndũ nĩ ta irio iria ũrĩaga kĩndũ kĩega gĩtangĩgũthũkĩra ngothi tiga kwagĩria.
Nice one. Thank you muno makĩria. Koguo guys, thank you so much. Tũrĩgo koguo tũtigĩrĩre atĩ product ĩno nĩ yakorwo ĩkĩlaunch. Koguo ndũkehere mĩtambo-inĩ, tũgũthiĩ na mbere na kũmũrehera ũrĩa maũndũ makĩhana na ũhoro makĩria wĩgiĩ Oxygen Botanicals. Bye bye. Niĩ njĩtagwo Tipolem Favored.
We'll be mentioning their name because they trusted us before we even launched the product. They're smart people. They know the ingredients. They've gone to school. Most of them are medics. Our product, guys, like I said earlier, is just not any other product you use in the market. No. This is based on true science, real science. So when you start using this product, know that it's a journey we start with you. We promise you, we will solve that problem that you've been trying to solve for years. That's our promise to you, and that's why we're here tonight. And I'm gonna call Oxygen Botanical Kenya team in the stage because I don't do this alone. How now? I can be marketing the product, training, launching the product. I can do it all. So I have a team that have worked so hard to bring this together. So I'm gonna welcome Oxygen Botanical Canada and Oxygen Botanical Kenya to the stage. This is our moment now. This is the moment we launch this product. Can we come in? Guys, you know it was there.
We might need another mic.
Hey, Leah, come on, girl. Sandra, come on the stage, baby. Come on. Grayson, come on the stage. These are my kids. They help me on social media. Sometimes I look good because my daughter will be doing the work for me. That's my firstborn, by the way. I'm 50, I told you, right there. That's my first baby, the fruit of my womb. Thank you all. I'm looking for others. We're waiting. We can't do this without you. Stan, come over. Mr. Dancer Seed, come over. I don't know where you are. Martin Buthia, you are needed on the stage. That's my husband. Thank you for your support. Beatrice, I need you on the stage. Charity Kenya Jui, where are you? Marisera, where are you? I don't see you. I'm sorry guys, we're a big team. I don't do this alone. This is our promise. I need you here. Do you want me to call your name? Guys, help me help these people before we even launch this thing, yeah? I can't do this alone. This is the team that has helped make this dream come to pass. I'm not gonna name all their names because we will sleep here, but they've all played such a major role in making this day happen, because here is the people that train, we go training, they're the people who learn our social media, they're the people who manage our accounts, we have everybody here. So these are the people, when this becomes the #1 skincare in Kenya, and I believe that without shadow of doubt. These are the people who will be honoring in this stage or another stage. I believe that without shadow of doubt that we will become the #1 skincare in Kenya and beyond. That is my promise to you. We'll put in the work, and it will be because because of these people that you will get a good skincare that you'll use. I like what Cynthia Mwangi said. Once you start on a good skincare that doesn't have chemicals, you don't leave it. You stay with it. We start using it from 20. We go until Paris is 50 now. I'll go on it until I'm 90. And so that's why I'm so humbled, yeah? And now because I love Mike, I can talk for long. It's everybody's event, so I'm going to pass it.
Okay, there's a song we're going to listen to as we say. What do you want us to say? To launch.
And here is to a healthy, growing skin to everybody. And the hashtag tonight is Oxygen Botanical Kenya, hashtag infused with pure oxygen. Please tag me in all your hashtags. I will really appreciate it. Oxygen Botanical Kenya.
Okay, DJ, cue the music. And then let's all get up. Can we all stand up? Can we play the agreed on music? Ten, 9, 8, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations! Congratulations, Oxygen Botanicals Kenya. Brandon Baking Congratulations. We cue the music.
And now we pronounce Oxygen Botanical Kenya.
30% on from this minute, baby. You can shop until you drop. Especially people who want medical spa. This is your night. Now, we're gonna...
Are we cutting the cake just yet? If you've been watching online, I'm going to ask you a question in a second so you two can be a winner. And yes, let's cut the cake. This is the moment. Can we play the music a bit louder so that we can take some pictures? We had agreed on Cool and the Gang celebration. There seems to be something off. I think the speaker's blown or something. Okay, that's not working out well. Mr. Martin has it. if we sing, you can dance. If we sing, you can dance. Okay, I think we'll cut the cake. Let me invite a dear friend of Paris's, Roseanne. You may know her as Hey Sugar. She's a fitness enthusiast. She knows her way around wellness. A year ago, the three of us had a dinner / what was it? I was like, Paris, why aren't you doing beauty products? And we discussed it, and here we are, like a year and a half later. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We're
These
so
are
proud
my
of
dear
you.
friends, by the way. My go-to-go. Thank you, Ramos. I love you.
We love you too. We're so proud of you.
An overnight sensation?
All right. So you guys, there's something. So we're gonna do this together, okay? We're gonna do this together, okay? Okay? All right. There's something new. Okay.
At the launch pia tumepatana na one Cynthia Mwangi. How are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you
Looking
too.
good.
Thank you.
Tell us how you got this invite. Nini marafiki, unawaka na wao? No.
Okay, so Paris has been my friend for a very, very long time. So when she told me she has a new set of products that she want for me to try out, I was like, of course, 100%, lazima ningie. So she gave me a few creams. She gave me a toner and a couple of other products, some serums. So I've been trying them out since May, and I think they're fantastic. So now, kwa sababu launch ilikuwa inakuja, so it was like, so we are launching our the official products here in August, and the owners are actually coming from Canada. So like, just come through. Like, obviously, I had to. Yeah.
Have you had like any skin problems before?
So one of the things that I was very keen on was my dark circles. Unajua unafanya media unaelewa. Early mornings, late nights, and things like that. So I had reached out to her earlier. I was like, please help me out with something. So she told me, Phyllis, I got you.
Okay.
So she got me.
So because you've used, I know you have experience and you can advise someone. You can even like ile kumwambia mtu kabisa tumia hii. Yeah, utawambia nini kuhusiana na this product?
Okay, so kitu najua for now is that they're very specific on your needs. Unajua chenye mimi natumia may not work for you. So the one thing I keep insisting is if you feel you need something better and long term, because these are products like utaanza nazo kutoka hapa all the way until you're 60, 70, 100 even. So come in, let them do a proper skin analysis, ndo wajue the pain points. Na pia hata explain nini unataka kuachieve nini. Do you want to even out your skin tone? Do you want to look plump and lush? Like, what is it that you need? Then they'll advise you and make you look as beautiful and as gorgeous as you deserve.
Wow.
Yeah.
I know you're ni rafiki ya Paris. What do you love about her?
Oh my gosh, she is a ball of energy and she is so positive. I have never met anyone in my life who's as positive as she is. So she's always happy and joyous and so supportive. Najua. So for me, just if she calls me for anything, best believe I'm coming. Yeah.
Kwenye products ambazo pengine umetumia, do you have a product ambayo unasema this is my favorite and I would recommend?
Oh, 100% the vitamin C serum. The vitamin C has brightened my skin in ways I can't explain. So I am absolutely in love with that. And then the second one is the dark circle, the eye cream for the dark circles. 100%. Love it. Yes.
Wakenya wengi pengine huwa wanapenda products ambazo ni za bei chini sana. And then when you look at Oxygen Botanicals, even Paris told us that it's somehow a high-end product. Wakenya ambao wanasema pengine bei iko juu, what should you tell them?
I would tell them to give it a try. It's never that serious. I mean, we've bought other expensive products, but then we're assuring you that ukijaribu the right way, it will give you the results that you need with less harsh chemicals, which is the most important thing. Utaki kutumia kitu kwa uso wako and then the other advanced effects. Unajua, unataka kuharakisha process nini nakwambia, oh, you're going to be brighter in a month. I mean, that's not even logical, right? So, it might sound like it's pricey, but it's worth it. It's absolutely worth it because it's better, it's less toxic, and it's good for you. Yeah.
Na we know you pia kwa kazi zingine nyingi, ndo tuseme pia kwamba kuna deal inakuja ya brand ambassador, ya influencer, ama inakuwaje?
Tuseme sai yeye ni rafiki yangu na mimi kama ninakuaminia na products zako nzuri, mimi nitazitumia and I will push them. Sio lazima unipe endorsement, I don't need any of those things. And that's what I tell anyone I work with. If I believe in your product na nikiona ni kazi nzuri, I personally just push it. I don't need to be an ambassador or anything.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing sana. Alafu pia tuzungumzie you personally. What have you been up to?
Oh, nothing much. Just a lot of work. Kazi hapa na pale kama kawaida.
Projects pengine ambazo ungependa kuzungumzia?
Kwa wakati huu hapana. Acha tuseme tu sahi tunafanya kazi Hot 96. I'm loving the new lineup that we have. Akina Aziza, Goodman, Jeff Koinange na Patrick Igunza, Nick Sayako Drive, and I'm loving how that looks like. So it's a beautiful face. So I'm very excited about that.
Wow.
Yes.
What's your fans?
Jamani, mnataka niwaambie nini?
Wasalimie. Washukuru, you know.
Jamani, okay. So kwa mafans wangu asanteni sana kwa kutuamini na kuniamini mimi, na I am really hoping that we're going to create something beautiful, not just for myself, but for you as well, because I believe in collaboration. Kitu kizuri kifurahisha kimenifurahisha, and we're good.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you. And karibu sana.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
And of course, in today's event, we've actually also been able to meet one Mackenzie Limiri. How are you doing?
I'm so good. How are
to see you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I once reached out to you about an interview. Yeah, I guess we're gonna do it soon.
Yes.
So, tell us maybe how you got the invite to come here at Oxygen Botanicals Kenya launch, and maybe what's your relationship with Paris like?
Sure. So I have a YouTube channel, and I do vlogs about just daily life in Kenya, about our relocation from US to Kenya, about life in the village. So that's my kind of content. And she watches the channel, and she reached out to me and asked. She was very nice and said she loved the channel. She asked if I wanted to try the products, and I told her, of course. So she sent them to me, and I used them for about 2 weeks to really get a feel for if they would work for my skin, if they would be good for me. So, and I really love them a lot. So I've been kind of sharing them on my platforms, on my YouTube channel. So that's how we got connected, and that's why I'm here.
And I know, apart from botanical, maybe you've used other products. What would you say about botanical product skincare?
Yes, so I have used many other products, and especially with me going back and forth between like US and Kenya, the climates are very different. Where I'm from in US, it's very dry, and then Kenya is more, humid. And my skin just was really struggling. And all the products I would try, I would buy random products and just give it a try. And nothing was really working well for me. I would always end up just stop using it or throwing it away in the trash because it was not going well with my skin. So, so then using Oxygen, like a whole line of products that work very well together, really just made a really big difference for my skin. And it started feeling a lot more hydrated, a lot less like breakouts. So yeah, I've been loving it. I'll keep using the line of products. Yeah.
Okay. Which specific products, maybe if you can mention?
I love which ones do I use or which are my favorite? What are you asking?
You can go with both.
Okay. Well, my favorite are the two, the serums. So the vitamin C serum and the squalane. I think I'm saying that right. Those are my two favorites for sure. But yeah, I use them the morning. I do a morning routine with the cleanser, and then sometimes I'll do it's like a hydrating mask in the mornings, and then I will put on the serums, and then also the sunscreen for sure. And I also use that on like my kids, and even so it's like the whole family can use that sunscreen. And then at nighttime I'll do the same routine, only I'll use like the night cream instead of the day cream and the sun.
Wow. What would you tell someone who's not yet convinced to use Oxygen Botanical products?
I would say try and see how your skin responds, because I feel like these products are made for so many skin types, and it's just very hydrating, and I don't think you can go wrong with trying them. See how it works. Yeah.
Thank you very much,
Yeah.
and welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.